What products do I use to clean my car? I'll tell you coming up. Hey there, I'm Joy. If this is your first time watching my video, I document my Tesla Model 3 owner experience with new and future owners so you can learn more about this car. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Lately, I've been asked by recent Model 3 owners about how I clean my car and what products I use to clean my car. If you didn't know about this before, I live in a condo community where we are not allowed to actually wash our cars. And when I had my old cars, I used to take them to the hand washing or drive through tunnel and get it washed. But I realized that it gets expensive, especially here in LA. So after I got my Model 3, I researched online and decided to buy cleaning products on my own and clean my car using waterless solution or near waterless solution that I found out there. So today I want to share with you exactly what I use and procedures for cleaning my car. So if you want to clean your car on your own, hopefully this will help. To start the cleaning process, first I use this product from Elite Finish called Wash Mist. This is a concentrate bottle, and this whole bottle will last you for a very long time because what you do is you will mix 1 ounce, about this much, of the concentrate with 15 ounces of water. So I bought a spray bottle that's 16 ounce and I just mix them together and I spray it around my car, and I use a microfiber cloth to wipe it clean. And here you'll see a comparison video of what I did, wiping down one side of the panel versus the other side that's still super dirty. And you can see just how shiny my car has become. And this is great because it's environmentally friendly. You're not wasting water. And all you do, just mist this around your car, wipe it clean, and voila, and your car is clean. And just to give you an idea of how much this wash mist would last me. So with this diluted mixture, every time I clean my car, I would use maybe a third or not even a half of the solution. So this bottle, I can clean my car twice or 3 times. And this is only using 1 ounce of that concentrate. So as you can imagine, that bottle, I think it's about $40, and I'm linking the product information down below that you can check it out. It's going to last me for a very long time and it's very cost effective. And of course, there are comparable products out there that I've been hearing about online, so I will also link some of them down here. And this way you can compare all of them and decide which one you like best. After I clean my car, I use this hybrid wax from Car Guys to wax and seal my car's surface. Now, I do not baby my car, so I do not have ceramic coating on my car. My philosophy is my investment in this car is to protect my safety. My life is a lot more valuable than this car. So if my car does get some chips or dings, yeah, I will be sad about it for a little bit, but I just get over it and I'm not gonna cry over it. And this hybrid wax, it's a great sealant because it's hydrophobic, meaning when it has water, it's not going to sort of sink into the surface of your car paint. It's going to bead those water up. And when you drive away, the water will actually come down like a sheet of water and everything stays clean. And it also comes with this nice soft cloth. And with this one, you don't have to use a lot. One spray covers about 2 feet by 2 feet of surface. So you just spray it and then you buff it with this really nice cloth that comes with it. And your car will come out super shiny like it's in the showroom, and the surface will be so slippery and buttery. Now, there are other products out there like Hydrocelix, which I will link it down below as well so you can compare. And lastly, I clean my tires with another Car Guys product, this tire shine spray. This also comes with this little buffer. So all you have to do is just to spray it on and then buff it clean, and your tires will look nice and shiny like new. There you go. That's how I clean my car and the products I use. I must say that I actually enjoy cleaning my car now because it gives me a good workout, and I know that I'm saving a lot of money buying my own products, and I'm also saving water and the environment by not producing a lot of toxic waste water in my community. I hope this video has been helpful. And once again, if you like what I had to share, please don't forget to subscribe down there. Give this video a like, leave comments down below, and ask me any questions. I'll do my best to answer. Until next time, have a blessed week.